Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a little introduction on how I find stuff on Shop Goodwill. Now, when we look at Shop Goodwill, there's only going to be a couple categories that are profitable, and those are probably going to be very small things that are shippable in large amounts. Now, when I say large amounts, that's because whenever you're in Shop Goodwill, you're going to be looking up lots. So you go to lots, and you find a lot of things that are going to be put together and Lego sports cards and such. So let's say you wanted these sports cards, okay? You see there's a handling fee of 350, so always remember that in the bid increments. It doesn't really matter until you get around like to the 50s, I believe. Shipping, you can put in your address and it'll actual weight is 45 pounds. So this won't even be shipped probably because Shop Goodwill only ships up to about 20 pounds. So what you would do is calculate your shipping before shipping that, but I'm not going to show you guys because it's going to give my address away, you know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do here instead is always look for lots that are probably going to make you money, obviously, but you want to maximize your profits. So let's look for something that I always look at whenever it comes to Shop Goodwill, and that will be jewelry lots. So I like to look up costume jewelry lots. And the reason for this is because it's usually very. I'm going to give you guys a really good keyword, okay? Designer costume lot. Okay, guys, you can steal this from me, okay? And the reason why you look up designer is because you want to look up uncompetitive things. And a lot of people say find things that ship near you guys. I don't really care about that, to be honest. Like seller location does not really matter all that much. It just matters basically on the. So I put the max price of $12 for jewelry lots, and the reason why is because we don't want to find something that is so modern brand designer, not very something we're gonna want to look for. Let's look up costume signed lots. That's also another keyword. Okay, so let's get out of here. Go back to the home page because you always want to go back to the home page when you're looking for newer stuff. For some reason, it's not finding me anything. That's interesting. Let's see, signed costume. So we should go to signed costume lot. And we see here, this one's $77. Chico, Betsy, Jake True. Okay, let's say we wanted to buy this, right? Let's say it was like even cheaper, but like at this price, it's still probably worth it. Maybe not really. Depends on what you get. Let's see. Fossil, Menace, J. Crew, Rogers, Holland, Napier, Chico, Coldwater Creek's okay, Chap's okay, Banana Republic's okay, Juicy Couture's really good. But yeah, the like this lot's probably not really worth it to be honest. But let's say it was cheaper and you want to buy from it. You always want to try to buy from the same location. So you want to scroll down, just see where it says more from this location. And this is where you would just kind of just favorite everything from this location that you can. So these G.I. Joe figures probably pretty good. And if you ever want to find the price of something, you just come here, click on it, open it up, right click, hit search with Google Lens, and you want to go from the thing that it could obviously find the most. So this right here is $10. This alone pays for a lot. And let's see, I mean, well, minus shipping, of course, but this one looks pretty good. So sometimes you have to like click and drag and edit it up a little bit. So this one's not even finding it. So you would have to find other pictures that are a little closer. So yeah, like this is perfect. So this is where you would just kind of come in with a Google Lens and just hit them with this action. And you see here, this one doesn't give you the price, so you click on it. Might even be sold, so about $5. And if it has a watcher, like a couple watchers, you pretty much know that thing is going to sell for this. So probably $5 plus free shipping. This thing is basically stuff that you want to lot together, sell the expensive stuff and then lot the cheap stuff together. Let's do this figurine. This one's, I believe, is a little older. And yeah, so this one's about 6, 7, 8. So like I said, you would lot some of the stuff up maybe as like a reseller lot, and then kind of just go from there. But what I look for in particular is jewelry. So then we would come down here, go to jewelry, go to all jewelry and gemstones, and then we just kind of sort through here until we find lots. So Wicca themed, nature themed, Sign brand, clothes. So you got some sign there. Modern, Victoria, witchy, Camrose necklace, stuff like this. You just look through. So this right here, Sarah Coventry. It's a necklace set and a bracelet set. So I mean that's maybe worth that, but not really in my opinion. I kind of go for stuff that doesn't even have bids on it, to be honest. So Southwest Jewelry Lot's always a gold mine. I would like favorite that. And what you do is you favorite them all that you want to find. I already have some favorited for today, so this video should be coming out after I buy this stuff, so it's not going to be a big deal if I show you. So right here we see, I'm just going to unfavorite that. So you just see here the seller. You see here the seller is Goodwill Industries in Northeast Iowa. You just want to make sure these are all the same, and you just kind of go from there. And then so we see here that today at 9 my time, this stuff all ends. And obviously, if you can get this all for $10, guys, you're making a profit even if you resell it as it is. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Shop Goodwill can be very profitable. And then what you do is you just kind of bid on it. So you can set your max bid. So let's say you wanted this for like, let's say you don't have time or you can't really bid last second, you know, in 8 hours. Let's say you're sleeping. So you would set the max bid to whatever you want. So let's just say 12. And what it would do is not bid. Here, I'm just going to do it for you guys. So I'm just going to put max bid. You already been outbid. So they put a max bid of 12 as well, or 13 maybe. So it'll pretty much go up to the max that you bid for you. And it won't just automatically put $12 in there, even if it's at 9. It'll go up to about $10. You know what I'm saying? So because the bid increment is $1 up to about $50, and it goes like $2 and such. But that's generally how you do it. So let's say I bid last second. So what I would do here is 8 hours, 30 minutes from now, I would literally have my price of 14.75. I always like to have 0.75 just because it kind of outsmarts the people that try to put $1 above you. It doesn't allow them to bid like that. So let's say I did that, and then that was last second. And if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. That's just how last bidding works, and you have to be very careful. But the reason why you save so much money when you're bidding from the same people is because it all gets shipped together, and the shipping cost is very cheap. But you do have to remember that you're paying handling price on each auction lot, not just the whole bid. Some do, not just the whole, whole thing. It's each lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lots right here in this row all get $3 extra. So you have to remember that. Either way, this has been me. I just want to show you guys a little bit on how I shop from Shop Goodwill. It's very easy. Just remember to use smart shopping when you're doing it, and check your shipping costs. Thank you very much.